have another Dior Spring 2024 beauty unboxing for you, or rather a spring unbagging. I'm very happy because I got the beautiful spring bag before I got the beautiful Lunar New Year bag, but I am absolutely delighted to get the spring bag. I was so hoping that I would get it, and I did. So you're going to see a lovely unbagging today. But before we get in, if you haven't already and you're enjoying the Magpie content over here, why don't you subscribe to join the Glow fam? Hit the bell notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. Of course, like, because it GPS's this video throughout the YouTube universe so that other Glow beauties can watch this. And I also link any of the products that I mentioned in the description box below. They are affiliate links. They are used for your research and shopping convenience. And when you shop through those links, you do support my channel. Even when you're researching through those links, you're supporting my channel. And it's a win-win because then I'm able to continue to bring content to you. There we go. It's the circle of life. So without further ado, let us get into this beauty. Isn't this beautiful? And then we're gonna, yes, I did use that to hold it up. This is the unbagging. And I love that they always use these beautiful, it has the their Dior print on it, their beautiful stuffing. I just love that. I love these details. This is a haute couture house and they have couture details. What do we have here? We do get some samples. Now, I am in Canada. We definitely do not get the loyalty rewards program. And I found out that we do not get the samples that the US get. I mean, if I was to purchase this in the US, I would have gotten way more samples and they would have been deluxe samples. So this is what we get. Hopefully they'll improve. I love the dust bags, okay? So those can always be used. Great to give little gifts to friends for traveling purposes and everything. So this is the Dior Prestige Le Baume de Minuit. I really wanted to try their night bombs. These are really good for kind of like the slugging, I think, because they're thick and occlusive and they lock all your serums, your essences in for the night so that you wake up with hydrated and even improved skin barrier. Next one, I couldn't resist. I needed another Dior Prestige. This is the La Creme Intensive Repairing Cream, texture fine. I really enjoyed this. I wish they put a little bit more. This is one use. Usually when you get these packets, you can get 2 to 3 uses out of it. But Dior doesn't put that much in there. Dior, I would really love you to put more. I'm going to be honest with you, okay? I think you can afford it. I think you can. So there we go with this. Next, what did I pick up? I picked up the Dior Survive Couleur eyeshadow palette, and I picked it up in 833 Dior Dream. Now this little rascal, they had it in their dreams and they didn't talk about it. And then they put it up on the Canadian website. In fact, it was one of the first websites that had it, but it was for an alert me. You couldn't order it. And then, so I put an alert and then suddenly it went off air on our Canadian website. And then it was suddenly active on the US website and it was nowhere to be found. It ghosted us in Canada. So finally, we have it. And of course they put it upside down and I don't understand why. So this is it. And it's a beautiful eyeshadow palette because it's a little bit more deeper toned, and I believe it's not, oh no, it is a limited edition. It's limited edition. They are going strong because now they've come out with another limited edition called Rose du Soir. But I have enough roses. I have the pink coral, I have the Trafalgar, I have the Rosa Mutabilis. So I think I'm good. I mean, it would be very tempting but I think I'm good. Now this is giving me trouble because I still haven't figured out the technique to open it. Tragic. So here we go. Oh, you see? And this one is a little bit more pigmented. The first two, I believe it's Poplin Peach and something rose or something like that. I have it in another video if you want to watch it. I love that unboxing. And they're a little bit lighter. I think they were straddling the Asian market. So these are more the North American. It's more pigmented. It has a little bit more impact. And it's still a super summery spring going into summer palette for more the North American and European market. Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? And I'm noticing that there's more finishes to it. That looks like the twinkly finish, and you got more of a matte one, and then they got the fabric center with the stitching on the side and Dior logo. And then you've got this is a lovely little it's a satiny sparkly finish, and then you've got your matte with a little bit of sparkle in there that won't hold when you put it on the eye. It is absolutely gorgeous. I could do this forever, okay? Sorry, but I can't help it. Okay, we're gonna go and swatch it. So here are the swatches. Beautiful swatches. Beautiful. This is a beautiful coral pinky color, and then this one is the champagne color. There is a little hint of coral in this, so it's not just a straight up champagne. There is a little coral in this, and this is the center one here, and this is kind of a very lovely soft satin holographic shade of pink. And then this one here is this. It looks like it's going to be very pigmented, but it is very hard panned. It's a gorgeous orangey terracotta just with the glitter, the yellow glitter in it. Absolutely gorgeous, but you really have to build this up. You can do a very soft wash if you want, a one and done soft wash. You could layer these two together, these to do it, even layer it over this and create a soft wash with this. If you want to go heavier, you're going to have to dig your finger in or use a rough brush or use an intensifies glitter glue on the eye and go in with that to build it up and make it look more impactful. And then you get this beautiful rusty, almost terracotta brown. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness, this palette is beautiful for spring and summer. And I love the different finishes, the different tonal ranges, the different color ranges. So you're gonna get a lot of variety. You're gonna get a lot of, it's not gonna all meld together and look like one, okay? So you're gonna be able to get a lot of different looks from this palette. And remember, you can overlay different things, so this can be overlaid on others or wear it on your own as a very ethereal look. This is such a beautiful summer palette. I am so glad I picked this one up, and it's more geared to more, you know, less very light pastel-y. Don't get me wrong, those two other colors, you know, everything is for not everybody, okay? You create things for different things. Everything has its specialty, all right? Birds of a feather flock together. We all have our different talents, our different abilities, what it's geared for, and those other palettes were much more of a softer ethereal, and this one has a bit more impact. I absolutely love my first two, and I love this too. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna get so much enjoyment out of this. Can't get enough, as you can tell. I have to say, I really enjoyed this unbagging because I love the color story, and then the beautiful spring bag that I got. This is my first ever one. The beautiful dust bag once again, the Dior Prestige moisturizers, and I got the balm-like one, so I'm really, really happy with the outcome of this purchase. I got the beautiful 833 Dior Dream, and it feels like a little dream. Dream that I was able to pick this one up. Did you pick it up? Are you interested in the Rose de Soir one? I have enough of the roses, but it is a beautiful one too. Which is your favorite? Is it the Dior Dream or the Rose de Soir? Let me know. And also just wanted to remind you that I do have promo codes. I will list them in the description box below. We don't get to have them in Canada, but I know that you'll be able to make use of them in the US and get some delightful. This is what everybody wants to purchase from Dior itself, because you really, really, really do get a privilege of all these beautiful gift with purchases, and it makes so much of a treat and a delight. And of course, you can increase your levels in your loyalty rewards and get bigger and bigger gift with purchases and gifts. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to rock your own kind of spring, summer beauty, even in the wintertime. We need a bit of warmth now, and we're almost heading there. The birds are singing. We had a mild winter, and keep on going and keep on glowing. I will